A Hamptons bedroom is always soft, calm and serene. Here are my 4 top tricks on how to turn your bedroom into a beachside retreat. The most important thing for me in any bedroom is texture. So I love to add texture in my bed linen. So if you look at these beautiful cushions here, there's just so much texture on them. Wicker basket in the corner, which can also be a laundry hamper. The beautiful chunky wool carpet on the floor, which is a defined charm in the Valley Mist colourway from Carpet Court. And even things like your internal doors, so it's got the beautiful V-groove panelling on it, then also the lining boards on the ceiling as well. One of the most important things is how you make your bed. My first starting point is always the quilt cover. My key tip is to upsize. So if you've got a king bed, go for a super king because it looks more luxurious. And then it's also always about the number of pillows. So I go for 4 standard pillows and 2 Euros, then 3 cushions. When it comes time to adding the furniture elements to your room, try and always pick items that are made from natural materials. So for the occasional chair, I've gone for wicker. For the side table, timber. The ceiling fan, instead of going for a gloss white, I went for a soft whitewash timber. All these natural materials really warm your bedroom up. Other final touches that I like to add into my bedrooms could be a rug at the base of the bed, the bedside table lamps, and also interesting things on the walls like wall hooks. Your bedroom should really be your retreat, a place you can escape to at the end of each day. Following these tips, I really think you'll create the Hamptons look you're after.